The story of nuclear weapons begins in the 1930s with the discovery of nuclear fission by German scientists Otto Hahn and Fritz Strassmann. Splitting the atom unleashed immense energy, powerful enough to change the course of history. During World War II, the U.S. launched the Manhattan Project, led by Robert Oppenheimer. By 1945, the world witnessed the destructive power of the atomic bomb. Hiroshima and Nagasaki were leveled, forcing Japan's surrender, but leaving behind unimaginable devastation. The end of the war marked the beginning of a new threat, the nuclear arms race. In 1949, the Soviet Union tested its first atomic bomb, triggering decades of competition with the U.S. to build even more powerful weapons. The 1950s saw the rise of the hydrogen bomb, a fusion weapon hundreds of times more destructive than the bombs dropped in World War II. As nuclear arsenals grew, so did the global danger. The Cuban Missile Crisis in 1962 brought the world to the brink of nuclear war, a chilling reminder of the stakes involved. But the threat wasn't limited to the Cold War. In the decades that followed, new nations like the UK, France, China, India, Pakistan, and North Korea joined the nuclear club. Despite the 1968 Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, proliferation continued, making the world an even more dangerous place. Today, nuclear weapons remain a central issue in global politics. Countries like North Korea continue testing, threatening stability in regions like East Asia. Despite diplomatic efforts, the world remains on edge, knowing that these weapons could trigger unprecedented destruction. Arms control treaties have helped limit stockpiles, but nations still modernize their arsenals. The doctrine of mutually assured destruction, once the backbone of Cold War deterrence, continues to loom large. Now more than ever, the world must grapple with the future of nuclear weapons. Will we see a world where these devices of mass destruction are controlled and reduced, or one where the threat of annihilation continues to haunt us?